Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a French green bean and potatoes with bacon. Okay, that's what we're going to be doing. Now these right here, these is like 4 pounds of green beans. My family loves this stuff, so I know I have to make a lot of it. So I'm gonna have to wash these out. I'm not snapping, I'm leaving them whole. So yes, like I said, I'm gonna leave them whole so they can cook and all that good stuff. All right, that's these right here. There's 4 pounds of that. And I'm gonna show you the package it came in. They organic right here. I got this from Costco. Alright, you can see that up close. French green beans and potatoes with bacon. Here's my bacon right here. Let me see how many pounds this is. This is 1.5 pounds of bacon, and yes, all of it's going in that pot. Okay, I have 4 large potatoes right here. No, these about 5 of them, because I'm gonna need a lot of potatoes. This is an onion I made also a Mississippi pot roast. I will leave a link up here to that. But yeah, this is pretty much like a regular size onion. It's a real big onion, so I just cut pieces, slices off. Alright, I got like 4 to 5 cloves of garlic right here that I'm going to use. Alright, and they do come with some seasoning packs in those organic green beans or French green beans, okay? But I'm not going to use those. I'm going to stick to what I normally use. So right here, this right here is some with 3 cups of water, and I put like 3 tablespoons of this KNORR seasoning in there, chicken seasoning, okay? And that's all I did with that. But I'm gonna need about 3 more cups because it's a lot of green beans, as you well know, and potatoes. I'm gonna use a teaspoon of red crushed peppers, a tablespoon of the garlic, granulated. I'm gonna use a tablespoon of the onion, granulated. And I'm gonna use a teaspoon of lemon pepper. And I'm going to use a teaspoon of black pepper. Alright, so that's all we're going to do. I'm going to wash this up and chop this up and dice these up, and I'll show you how those look. And we're going to go ahead and start working on this bacon. Okay, see you guys in a minute. Much love. guys, go ahead and add this 1.5 pounds of bacon up in here. I don't like mine to be super hot when I get started on it because it will stick to the bottom of the pan. So just be careful. If you don't want it to stick, you can always add just a touch of olive oil or something. Now all we're going to do to this bacon, we're just going to cook this bacon up till it gets brown and all that stuff. That's all we're doing here. Alright, this shouldn't take no more than about 5 to 6 to 7 minutes, something like that. I said 5 to 7 minutes to brown this up. I do have a couple slices of, because I made some pizzas the other day. I didn't make a video on it. I do have a couple slices of like ham pieces and stuff. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw that in there. You don't need to do it to yours. I mean, unless you want to or whatever. But I'm just letting you know, so if you see something in there different. So, all right, see you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. And with this, I'm just gonna add my onions in here and my garlic. Mix this around up in here. Okay. And I want to come in here with my teaspoon of red crushed peppers. Like that. My granulated onion, tablespoon. Just like that. Granulated garlic, tablespoon. Black pepper, teaspoon. Lemon pepper, teaspoon. All right, mix this up. And don't worry about it sticking at the bottom. All this stuff gonna come up when you put all that water and all that stuff in there. Wash off my potatoes. You want to keep them submerged in water because you don't want them turning brown. So we're going to put those in there. And we're going to let this kind of like simmer a little bit, guys. So I got to wash off these green beans. And I got to do those in sections. I'm gonna let this simmer for about 15, not even 15, about 3 to 4 minutes. Just letting the seasoning soak in some of these potatoes. You notice you didn't see me add no salt to this, did you? Because guess what? That KNORR chicken stuff got salt in it. And I don't want a lot of salty stuff, so. If you feel that you want to add some salt in yours, go right ahead. I just won't add it in mine. It's just going to be, you know, when the food settles, it gets like saltier. You got to let it settle. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Put these green beans in here. Kind of like stir that up in there a little bit. I'm going to have to put this other stuff in there. Okay. 3 cups of this KNORR chicken broth. And we're going to add 3 more cups. These are the other 3 cups. And that should get the job done. This stuff will break down, guys, so don't think it won't, because it will. So okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish washing off the rest of these green beans, and I only got a few. so it should be right up here. I'm gonna put the lid on it. I'm gonna let this cook for about a good hour, and then I'll show you what we'll be working with then. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Now I really wanted to, I'm gonna add some more seasoning on top of this. I'm just put it like just a dust in it. You don't really have to do it. I'm just gonna do this. Just the garlic and the onion and a little lemon pepper. So that's like a quarter of all three of these. All right, put the lid on here. I'm at medium. We're gonna let this cook for about an hour. This ain't the right lid, but hey, we'll work with it. All right guys, in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. Let's go ahead and check on this. I did stir it like 20 minutes into it. Right now we at 45 minutes. Just gonna give it another good stir. Now I'm gonna do something that's optional, but you don't have to do it. But if you want yours to taste like mine, then go ahead and do it. But this recipe don't call for it. Take a little lemon juice, like 2 tablespoons of that. We're just gonna let this cook for another 15 minutes, and I'll show you guys how it looks afterwards in the presentation. All right. So I told you it will cook down before you can pull them potatoes up, but the potatoes are done. I like mine super soft. All right, guys. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm finally done with this recipe. There you have it, right there. French green beans and potatoes with bacon. All right, let me show you that up close. That's how that looks, guys. Okay. Let me put this down because it's hot. So yeah, and here's my my Mississippi pot roast right here, guys. All right, I made that to go along with it. I was gonna make some cornbread or something like that, but I changed my mind. So anyway, guys, if you guys like this video, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. Much love, and thank you guys for all you do in a minute.